Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So we are back again with the Graptovaria titubans leaf propagation. Now this is the part 2. Now you must be wondering what's so special in this propagation and why I'm doing an update on this. So let me take the pups or the camera a little bit closer to the pups and let me focus on them. Let me point it out, otherwise it's not going to be visible. So you can see the small little white on every opening of the leaf. In some there are very tiny, in some it's little bit more visible. Like this one, it's more visible. Let me focus a little bit. As you can see, it's more visible now. So as you can see over here, we have our first pups that have started to come up. And in fact, I'm very happy that all of them are having the pup at the same time. As you can see, everyone is putting out. It's going to be much visible. Sorry, they are so tiny that I have to focus on them so much that it's almost impossible to focus on them because they are like they're so tiny right now. So it's very difficult to focus. But I think you will be able to see. So this is the pups that you're seeing over here now, because there is so much of granular sand over here, so it's focusing more on that rather than on this small little thing, because it's very tiny right now, but I'm sure you might have got an idea about it. So you can see all of them are doing quite well. I haven't added a single drop of water on this right now. It's completely in indirect bright light. There is a good amount of air circulation and not a single drop of water. And you can see they have started their journey. So if you are starting off with your propagation, you can follow the first part. This is the second part and this is the progress right now. Again, I'm going to do a part 3 because right now they are not very visible, but I just wanted to give you an idea. This is how it starts. I haven't watered it. I haven't kept it in direct sunlight, and they are just on their own. So a lot of people who are panicky about it, that the leaves are not propagating, and they go ahead and they mist the leaves, they mist the soil without the roots, because right now none of them have roots and I cannot even water them. So I have to wait for a couple of weeks more, and it's a very slow process. As you can see, I will put the date when I had started this propagation. And right now they are just starting off. There are no roots yet, so we cannot water it. Again, it's going to be kept in indirect bright light with a good amount of air circulation and no watering. So guys, I hope that you like this video, and stay tuned for part 3.